Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about silver. This is an article on goldsilver.com by Jeff Clark, senior analyst. It says two charts, one message. Get ready to load up on silver. An ideal way to invest is to identify an asset that is both undervalued and poised to rise. Easier said than done, but if an investor can find an opportunity that meets those two criteria, they can put the odds greatly in their favor. Well, that may be exactly what we have with silver right now. Let's see what you think. Criteria 1. Relative to other assets, silver is deeply undervalued. There are a number of ways to show this, but here's another one that dawned on me while watching the recent fall in the stock markets. The S&P 500, Dow, and the Nasdaq all kept making new all-time highs over the past year. They finally had a correction, so I wondered how far they were from their all-time highs compared to silver. The chart shows the percentage each asset is currently below its all-time high as of Friday, May 21st. Okay, so this is percentage below your all-time high. All right, so we have the Dow Jones below 2%, S&P 500 below 1.7%, Nasdaq 4.3%, gold 9.1%. Silver, guys, is 43.9, right about, you could say about 44% below its all-time high. So that shows it has a lot of room to potentially run. Despite the correction in the general stock market, silver is further from its peak than all the other market indexes. It is nearly 44% below its all-time high, while stock markets still hover near theirs. Gold is only 9.1% from its peak. Would you rather buy an investment hovering near all-time highs or one that's almost half of it? Clearly, the better value right now is with silver. Criteria 2. Timing an investment purchase is a never-ending dilemma because you never know for certain what the price will do in the short term. But what if you had the data that spanned 53 years and showed a specific tendency about its price behavior at a particular time of the year? There'd still be no guarantees, but it could potentially give you an edge. That's what we have with silver. We've shown this chart before, but the timing right now is compelling. It shows silver's average daily gain and loss over the past 53 years. Look at the trends happening to the price in June. Okay, guys, so here's the month, January, February, March, all the way through December. Okay, and here's your percent increase or decrease. Historically, it shows that from January to February, you see a little spike and then a pullback sometime in March, and then we kind of level off. And if you look around here in June, from June to July is whenever you have a dip. Okay, so you can potentially expect a dip in the silver price if our trend sticks with the data based on the past 53 years. And then what happens after June? It just takes off and it hits a pretty big peak right around December. So we'll see if that can follow trend. From now until the 4th of July holiday, the silver price has a strong seasonal tendency to fall, which, if the averages play out, would be the lowest levels of the rest of the year and a great buy point for long-term holdings. You can see what the price tends to do after the holiday. It is indeed poised to rise. From then till the end of September is the strongest time of the year. For those that have an accumulation mentality, this can be valuable intel. It's basically how I handle buying silver and gold too. I swoop in on dips and corrections and big sell-offs. My confidence in the big picture for silver gives me the confidence to buy when the price softens. I'm accumulating in the present for a big payday in the future. Pullbacks are thus a chance for me to pay less. Of course, there's no guarantee seasonal trends will pay out. There's a lot of factors that can impact silver's price in the short term. But this data does tell us one thing. Be on the lookout for potential decline in the silver price. Build cash to take advantage of it if the opportunity does come. Premiums remain high, so this is how I'm accumulating silver for the time being. It allows me to pay a low premium now and convert later when they come down or just sell. Whatever you do, I hope you're prepared to pounce on the next dip whenever it may arrive. So this article was awesome because I was kind of thinking, the other day, wondering, I wonder what silver is going to do. Is it going to continue to rise? Are we going to start shooting up, or are we going to see another pullback? Because I didn't buy any this past month, and I was kind of worried, like, man, maybe I should have bought. But it kind of makes me feel a little bit more at ease to watch this month and see if we can kind of go on the decline and maybe scoop some up at a cheaper price. So we'll see what happens. But this article, guys, I'm going to link in the description below if you want to take a look at it, or maybe copy and paste, share it with a friend, or just simply share this video with them as well. So that's all I got for you guys. If you found value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way you can keep up with all of our videos on the channel. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.